Oklahoma City Thunders versus Minnesota Timberwolves, Game 4. NBA Finals, Western Conference. First five for the Thunders: Dort Williams, Gilgeous-Alexander, Holmgren, Hartenstein. The Timberwolves: Conley, Randall, Edwards, Gobert, McDaniels. Drive si Alexander, kinik out kay Williams, pasok ang 3 points. Conley got the ball to Randall. Randall on a jump shot, scores for 2. Interception by Edwards to McDaniels and scores. Gilgeous-Alexander penetrate inside. Gilgeous-Alexander, nice spin move for 2. OKC 126, Minnesota 123. Minnesota's ball. There's a foul. 2-point shots. Bids convert 2 free throws. It's now 125-126. 6.4 seconds left in the game. Alexander converts all his free throws. There's a foul on Edwards. 3-point lead by the Thunders. First free throw is good. Intentionally missed the second free throw. Final score 128-126. Series is now 3-1 for the Thunders. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Peng, and thank you for watching.